Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make product images smaller or bigger on Shopify. For example, I'm currently on my Shopify store and this is the typical size for a Shopify product image as you can see right here. But I'll be showing you how to quickly adjust this even as a complete beginner. The first thing you will need to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will be automatically redirected to the Themes page. And right beside the theme that you're using, you are going to see Customize and you're also going to see three dots. I want you to tap on the three dots. Then you are going to select Edit Code. Once you have selected Edit Code, you will be redirected to this page. And again, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Theme Liquid. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next is tap anywhere on the screen. Then depending on the device that you are using, for example, if you are using a Windows device like myself, you are going to tap on Ctrl F. If you are using a MacBook or any Apple device, you are going to tap on Command F. After you have done that, I want you to do this right here. So you are going to put in / and you are going to type in body. Then you'll simply tap on enter. Once you have found body in the code, what I want you to do right above it, you're going to simply tap on enter. As you can see right here, so it is going to be a blank line. In this blank line, you're going to paste this code that I'll be leaving in the description. So you'll simply copy the code, then you're going to go back and you're going to paste the code right here. After you have pasted the code, you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once the changes have been saved, if I were to go back onto the product page, remember that this is how it originally looks. If I refresh the page in the top left hand corner, you can see that the size of the image is now smaller. By the way, if you would like to change the image size, whether it is to make it smaller or larger than it is at the moment, as at the moment it is 300px, you're going to simply tap right where you see 300px. So let's say, for example, I would like it to be 450px. I'll simply type in 450 right there, then tap on save once more. Once it has been saved, if I were to go back to the product page, then refresh it again, you will realize that the product image, the size has changed once more. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to make product image bigger or smaller on Shopify. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.